In this video I'm going to show you guys how to share folders and files in Google Drive. It's really easy and quick, so if you didn't know how to do that yet, then make sure to watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. So yeah, I'm gonna do it with a video right here, but it's basically the same for a folder. So yeah, just watch what I do and yeah, let's get started. So this video right here, just right click on it and there are all kinds of options right here. So just click on share, and right here it says restricted, only people added can open with this link, but just click on change to anyone with the link, and right here it says anyone with the link, and then viewer. You can also change it to commenter or editor, but I just suggest just keeping it on viewer, and then copy the link and click on done, and send it via email or WhatsApp or whatever you want, but I'm just gonna fill it in right here just to show you. And as you can see, this will show it up and you can download it right here, add a comment, or yeah, do some other stuff right here, and that's basically it. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'd appreciate that. Bye. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.